Are you planning a big move in Ohio? In today's video, we'll help you navigate the process of hiring full-service movers in Ohio and how to make your move as smooth as possible. Full-service movers in Ohio are experts who handle everything for you, from packing your items, loading them into the truck, to unloading and unpacking them at your new home. They provide a hassle-free experience so you can focus on your new chapter. The cost of hiring a moving company in Ohio varies based on factors like the size of your home and the distance of your move. On average, long-distance moves within Ohio can cost between $1,000 soles and $2,000. For larger homes or cross-country moves, you may be looking at $3,000 or more. To get an accurate estimate, always reach out to multiple companies and request free quotes. Keep in mind that additional fees may apply depending on the details of your move, so be sure to review the contract carefully before signing. When it comes to safe, reliable moving services, Ohio has a wide variety of companies to choose from. Whether you're moving locally or long distance, make sure you choose a company that provides insurance, experience, and customer support. Hiring a full-service moving company means less stress for you. They take care of everything, so you don't have to worry about packing, transporting, or lifting heavy items. Plus, they come with the right tools and experience to protect your belongings. With the right movers, your transition to a new home will be easier, safer, and more efficient. So take your time and choose wisely. Contact us today for a free, no-obligation quote and find out how we can make your move easier and more affordable.